Hi friends, I'm Nutritionist Urvashi Goyani, and today I'll be talking to you about 5 food combinations that will get you that gorgeous figure. Nowadays friends, we are all very dietary conscious, and there are foods which help not only to crush your body fats but also give a boost to your metabolism. So the first one is ginger and tuna. Ginger prevents the inflammation of the body caused due to bloating, and it speeds up the process of gastric emptying. However, tuna on the other hand prevents the growth of belly fat, and it contains docosahexaenoic acid, which helps in preventing the accumulation of fat. So friends, now next time pick up your tuna roll with some ginger pickle. The second food combination is honey and cinnamon. Friends, I would say that a daily dose of honey with the goodness of cinnamon is a perfect recipe for a picture perfect body. Cinnamon being very high in antioxidants, honey enhances your immunity. The third food combination is your raspberries and yogurt. Yogurt is an effective slimming agent, and it also contains calcium and vitamin D. Raspberries on the other hand contain polyphenols, which prevents the fat accumulation, and it also contains insoluble fiber, which increases the levels of ghrelin, which is a hunger regulating hormone. The fourth food combination is your spinach and bananas. Spinach contains almost 0 calories, and it gives you a feeling of satiety. Bananas on the other hand are packed with potassium, which reduces the feeling of bloating and gives you that lean figure. So go and make a smoothie out of it, friends. The next food combination is your watermelon and apples. Apples are an abundant source of insoluble fiber, and it helps to reduce the visceral fat. Watermelon on the other hand too helps in preventing your fat accumulation. So friends, you all can combine these two fruits either as a snack or a dessert or a salad, as they are filled with goodness. So friends, thank you. I hope these tips would help you and they'll make wonders to your body.